gonna make a Tepa Agave teriyaki sauce. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna mix Tepa Agave, soy sauce, ginger, garlic, sesame oil, and a little bit of water together. We're gonna cook it down until we have a nice glaze, and when we have that nice glaze, we're gonna serve it with our beautiful belly up beef by Mishima Farms. So we're super excited. We're gonna make the teriyaki sauce, and I will see you on the other side when we plate it up. All right? Hey everybody, so we did something a little different today. We made a Tepa Agave teriyaki sauce. We served that over belly of the beef, served with sriracha sauce, oyster mushrooms, baby radishes, and Korean chives. So we were super excited to make the Tepa Agave teriyaki sauce, replace it with table sugar. So we used Tepa Agave, soy sauce, sriracha, lime juice, tangelo juice, and ginger and garlic. So super easy recipe. We'll post it up for you guys, and thanks for watching. Appreciate it. It's awesome. Sweet, savory, salty. Tepa Agave really rounds out the beef. Absolutely delicious.